Now let us discuss the same method of a speed control, that is armature resistance control, for controlling the speed of DC series motor. In DC series motor, the scene is different than the DC shunt motor. Here the line current, field current and armature current are always same. So whenever armature current varies, field current also varies. So the main concept in this method of a speed control is that for a fixed value of supply voltage Vt, terminal voltage, by adding Rext in series with armature circuit, the voltage drop across this Rext reduces the voltage across the armature terminals. As we are keeping this as fixed, let us say 220 volt, 230 volt, whatever, extra voltage drop across Rext reduces the drop across armature terminals, which reduces the speed of this motor, DC series motor. So again, for solving problems on this method, always take the help of these two equations, and EB is equal to Ka phi omega. Let us take two cases. One base case when Rext is not added, that is put 0, fine. So when Rext is 0, let us say 0, not added, in that case let us represent a speed by omega 1, armature current by Ia1 and corresponding torque by Te1 and back EMF by Eb1. Now when Rext is added in the armature circuit, that is when it is not 0, added, so corresponding speed let us represent by omega 2 and armature current by Ia2 and electrical torque by Te2 and back EMF by Eb2. So let us derive again two relations using Te equation and Eb equation. So first take torque equation. So we may write Te1 upon Te2 for a steady state operation must be equal to TL1 upon TL2, and load torque may be constant or may be variable, so better write function of omega 1 upon function of omega 2. This implies Te1 machine constant Ka times phi 1 Ia1 upon Ka phi 2 Ia2 is equal to F omega 1 upon F omega 2. Again, we know that field current and armature current is same and field flux is proportional to field current. So these two ratios of phi 1 by phi 2 will be same as ISE1 by ISE2, or you may write phi 1 by phi 2 is equal to ISE1 by ISE2 will be equal to Ia1 by Ia2. So substitute here this ratio phi 1 by phi 2, we may write Ia1 square upon Ia2 square will be equal to upon F omega 2. One equation. As we have seen in previous problem, that out of these two armature currents, any one will be maybe given, so another one may be find out using this relation, found out. Now let us use this equation, EB1 upon EB2 will be equal to constant, machine constant Ka times phi 1 omega 1 upon phi 2 omega 2. So from here, let us take a speed aside omega 1 by omega 2 or n1 by n2 as we know. So this omega 1 by omega 2 may be written as phi 2 by phi 1 times EB1 by EB2. Check it again. Omega 1 by omega 2, send this phi 2 by phi 1, EB1 by EB2. Fine. As discussed, this ratio may be represented in terms of ratio of armature currents. So phi 2 by phi 1 may be written as IA2 by IA1 times EB2, EB1. EB1 is when REXT, this is case 1 and this is case 2. So when REXT is 0. So at that time, what will be back EMF? Ignoring brush voltage drop, Vt minus, we may write Vt minus IA1 Ra, fine, upon Vt minus IA2 Ra plus REXT. Let's check it. So this way we have again derived two equations which are sufficient to solve any problem asked on this method of speed control. Thank you very much. Please make one necessary correction. This is DC series motor. So while writing this KVL equation, we have forget to write this drop RESC, right? So make the necessary correction like this. While writing EB1, it will be Vt minus IA1 Ra plus RSE, fine. And while writing EB2, this will be Vt minus IA2 Ra plus RSE plus REXT external, fine. Please make this necessary correction, fine. If you want to plot a speed torque characteristic when REXT is added and when it is not added. So this is a speed, this is torque. In our previous lectures, we know that what type of nature is there for a speed with torque. If you remember, then you will recall that it will be like this. So by adding REXT, the curve will be like this. Like this. So when we are adding REXT, a speed is decreasing. So we may write when REXT is not added, REXT is equal to 0, REXT is equal to 1, REXT 2, REXT 3, so that REXT 3 is greater than REXT 2 greater than REXT 1. So by increasing resistance value in series with armature circuit, a speed is decreasing for any value of torque. Thank you very much.